It's Lisa Marie from I Can't Wait to Travel, and I am so excited to share information with you about the ARIA Las Vegas. If you're thinking of heading to that hotel, stop here because there are 7 things you definitely want to know before you go. Number 1, the ARIA Hotel has always been known for high technology. I will admit that a lot of the other hotels are catching up. So if you go into the room, you'll be pleasantly pleased to see the bedside touchscreen, the ability to dim your lights and change the temperature or blast spa music from your iPad or even a touch of a finger. But I will say a lot of the other luxury hotels have really caught up to this. Number 2, the resort fee. Yes, the resort fee is about $50 a day, and it covers things like your Wi-Fi or fitness center access, so don't be surprised when you see that added onto your bill. Number 3, you will not go hungry at the ARIA. The ARIA's dining scene is top tier. You'll never need to leave the hotel in need of food because they have every type of restaurant you can think of. But I do hope you do step outside and check out the strip. Just a heads up, make sure you make a reservation at one of the ARIA restaurants because they fill up fast and you don't want to spend your vacation in line. Number 4, entertainment and attractions. The ARIA is already connected to the O by Cirque du Soleil. Plus, there are shops at Crystal's right next door, and it's basically a designer playground in that area. In addition, you have complete access to so many hotels next door. Number 5, the pool and spa situation is unreal. They have 3 eclipse-shaped pools, and if you're a Sky Suites guest, there's even a private pool just for you. The ARIA Spa is massive and it's also 5 rated, so go ahead, treat yourself. You deserve a massage after you've walked 10 million steps around Vegas. Number 6, getting around is surprisingly very easy from the ARIA hotel because you can do the Aria Express, which is a free tram that connects you to the Bellagio and the Park MGM. Plus, if the walking is too far due to it being hot outside or just you're tired of walking around, you can easily take a taxi or Uber to every destination on the strip. Number 7, join the MLife Rewards program. This is a huge advantage of you staying at an MGM hotel. It's free, it's easy, and it actually pays off. You earn points for eating, sleeping, and even breathing inside MGM properties. One day, you can swipe your card for lunch, and after a while, you'll see that you've gotten so many points that you can come back and have a free stay. So there you have it. 7 things to know before you stay at the ARIA. And if this helped you out, give us a like, maybe subscribe, or just email us at info@ican'twaittotravel.com to plan your next trip to Las Vegas.